So kung naghahanap kayo ng guide kung paano nyo matatransfer yung character nyo between the group servers dito sa Dark Leap season ni Rohan 2 Global, itong video na to para sa'yo. Hey guys, this is BM and today pag-uusapan natin kung paano nyo matatransfer yung character nyo within the group server during the Dark Leap season dito kay Rohan 2 Global. Anyway guys, kung bago ka pa lang sa channel natin, mag-subscribe ka na and i-hit mo na rin yung notification bell para lagi kang updated sa mga panibago nating upload regarding kay Rohan 2 Global. Let's go! So, welcome back sa ating YouTube channel guys. So today, pag-usapan natin kung paano nyo nga ba matatransfer ng successfully yung character nyo doon sa group server dito sa Dark Leap season. Now, in terms of the mechanics ng Dark Leap season, medyo konti pa lang yung pinaka-details na binigay nila dito. But anyway, ang main focus natin dito is kung paano nyo matatransfer yung character nyo between the servers na magka-group. Okay? Now, the first thing that you need to know is there are group servers where you can actually transfer your character from. Okay? So, kunwari, nasa C group ka, ito yung mga groups na available. Okay? So, may group 1 to 5 para sa C region. And then, para naman sa SA region, one group lang yan. And ito lang yung dalawang server na magka-group. Okay? So, if in any case man that you are planning to move from the server group 1, okay, then you will be transferred or you will only be transferred doon sa group server niya. Which means na hindi kayo pwedeng tumalon sa ibang server na gusto nyo talaga. Okay? Kumbaga, pili lang siya. So, if in any case man na nandun yung mga tropa nyo within the group server na yon, okay, and saktong-sakto siya, well, you can initiate the server transfer sa character nyo. Now, meron akong good news para sa inyo guys. Kasi dito sa Dark Leap, okay, walang bayad yung pagta-transfer ng character as long as within the group siya. Okay? So let's say for example, galing ka ng Edwin 2, gusto mo lumipat ng Traian 3, pwede mo yung i-initiate ng walang binabayarang server transfer ticket. Which is pretty good as well, especially kung talagang nagpaplano ka ng lumipat ng server dito sa Rohan 2 Global. But technically, sabi ko nga within the group lang siya. So if in any case man na gusto mong tumalon ng Traian 5, dapat nasa Edwin 4 ka. Kasi kung nasa Edwin 2 ka, Traian 3 lang yung pwede mong maging option na lipatan. Okay? Ganun siya nag-work. Now, the thing is that, if in any case mo na nag-Dark Leap ka, tapos hindi mo na-initiate yung return or hindi ka nakapag-return doon sa original server mo, mag-i-stay kayo guys doon sa server na nilipatan nyo. Which means na parang it would also act as a server transfer ticket. Okay, kasi there's no going back. Okay, but anyway, sabi ko nga, since magkaka-group lang yan, depende pa rin yan kung gusto nyo bumalik dun sa server nyo o hindi. Na yung pagbalik dun sa previous server nyo, libre lang din yun. Okay? So if in any case man that you are planning to just, gather the Dark Leap points, okay? Kasi dito, since kaka-start pa lang ng Dark Leap and Season 1 pa lang guys, ang habol ng mga players dito is to gather as many Shadow Leap points as they can para at least meron naka-ready na yung currency na yon when the utility comes out. Okay? Kasi dito, wala pang malinaw na explanation kung paano yung magiging reward system ng Dark Leap or Shadow Leap points here. But no worries guys, kasi gagawan pa rin naman natin yan ng update. Now, here's the actual process kung paano kayo makakapag-transfer between those servers. So, here are the things that you need to do first sa character nyo para at least hindi kayo magkaroon ng problema sa pagta-transfer ng character nyo between those servers. So the first thing is, you have to turn off the hunting helper. So mapapansin nyo dito, tinurn off ko na siya dito. Okay, so yung automatically switch to hunting helper on game exit. Okay, or upon death. Okay, so dapat naka-off yan. And then make sure din na walang laman yung hunting helper inventory nyo. Okay? In my case, clear na yung isang character. But please be mindful guys that you also have to clear, okay, yung isa pang character nyo. So kung meron kayong multiple characters, you also have to turn off the hunting helper there. And also, kailangan nyo rin i-clear yung inventory nun. So make sure guys na nasa village yung character nyo before you initiate the Shadow Leap. Okay? Now, punta kayo sa character selection screen and then click nyo yung Shadow Leap. Ngayon, isa-select nyo yung server invasion and kung mapapansin nyo, ito lang yung available guys. Okay? So click on select server and then enter Shadow Leap. So wala naman tayong character doon sa Traian 1. So pwede na tayong mag-server transfer. And there you go guys. We were able to transfer our character sa Traian 1. So login natin to. So guys, every time na magta-transfer kayo ng server, okay, mare-reset din guys yung inyong mission achievement. So technically, makakakuha rin kayo kung level 18 na kayo, makakuha kayo ng mga Asian costume ticket. Okay? So yan, nakakuha na naman tayo ng panibago. So ito, nakuha din natin siya. So, nangyari yun guys, nung unang server transfer ko, yung ibang missions natapos na natin before tayo transfer ng server. So basically, parang ganun yung, yung function niya. And hopefully guys, meron din kayo natutunan dito sa video na to in terms of the actual mechanics ng server leap. Gagawin ko siya ng other video para at least mas malinaw and also mas detailed ko siyang may explain sa inyo. Kasi so far kaka-release pa lang nung update and I wanted to make sure na tama yung info na pinoprovide natin sa inyo. Anyway guys, thank you so much again for watching. This is BM again and alam nyo na guys, peace out!